Okay, let's start from copy data area to CT28 and select just constant. Put formula to extract the score by use if further find the start letter by SDT123 and multiply by the score from second letter. Then if for bool give me 50. Hide this one. Then level 1 is simply just reference. Level 2 is sum of 3 turns here. Level 3 sum of 30 turns. Level 4 we need cumulative score, so we need to add previous score by current score here, and then last cell we need to check if the score is more than 301. Give me the previous score. Same here, and copy this 3 cell to all area here. Same for level 5. But level 5 we need to shift 2 player turns, so previous score have to change here, and same previous score have to change here. Copy all these 3 cells to the rest, and use X match 301 to find which turn to finish the score, the game. Just copy down here, copy down, stop turn. Okay, let's check the answer for level 5. Level 4, level 3, level 2, and level 1. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.